to my channel. Another box came, same size. You guys already know what it is, right? So let's get started. First things first. Today video is sponsored by none other than the Bath and Body Works. With the body lotion. This is cucumber melon. Put some of this bad boy on. Y'all know how I feel about ashy hands, right? I'm literally getting ready to beat this face for the girls. And some stuff came through, so let's see what it is. What time is it? What? As y'all see, y'all, like, the money don't stop over here. The gravy train don't stop over here. But anyway, you guys, something else that I bought from T-Mobile came in, and we're going to do an unboxing. As you may have seen in my last video, don't be looking for specs. Y'all get specs from the website, sweetie. That's not my forte. I don't have the boom, like, that's not what we're doing, okay? Maybe in the future, but for right now, get some cereal, get some chips, take a break before you go out and watch me open up this box. First things first, you guys already know what it is. Let's take out the knife. Yes. Let's slice this bad boy open. I feel like I know what this is. Well, I know what this is because I only ordered 2 things from them. This one right here is the one that I was probably the least excited for, because when I first wanted it, but then y'all know some stuff is. Hold on, y'all. Hello?
Sir, are you doing something tonight, sir?
Tonight?
Yeah.
Yep. What's up?
Are you going out?
Yeah, I'm going out.
Are you going to what bar, sir?
Me and Mike, my friend. Oh, hold on. Tell YouTube, hey.
Huh?
Tell YouTube, hey.
What's going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Your boy Elijah, next up, follow me.
Okay. Anyway.
Next caller. Case closed. Next case.
You caught me in the middle of recording a video. Me and Mike probably going to the gay club.
Cause you mad.
She on the phone with her niece. Call her and see what she doing. Alright. I'm sorry. That was Eli. I always want to be out and around me, boy. Find you some friends. Dang. But this right here is, I ain't gonna tell you what it is. I'll let y'all see when I open it up. Why did I do this right here? I just open up both sides. Oh well. Sometimes I just don't get enough of these. And voila! Look at it, y'all. Y'all probably had a problem seeing it on the last video too, but the packaging, everything, get into it. Sweetie, get into it. But yes, I ordered the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Again, this is the T-Mobile version, LTE version. So boom, no Wi-Fi needed, sweetie. So I'm almost, there to complete my whole Samsung ecosystem. I have
All a lie, guys. It was all a lie.
a long way to go, but got the latest watch. The S10 that I'm recording on right now. So if y'all thought I had a Canon or a camera, boom, eat your heart out. That's a Samsung recording right now, sweetie. Galaxy Bugs, not the newest one, and I have the latest tablet. This is cute. And let's slice this bad boy open. I don't know why I keep covering up the knife. Like I ain't gotta take it back out. Let's do this right here this time.
The gay club. The gay club.
Were you trying to address me?
Thought he was straight.
Y'all, why I feel like Missy talking about me? What's up?
Oh, did you hear me yelling?
Were you trying to address me?
I didn't know you was recording.
Was Eli trying to address me too?
We said yuck, gay club.
Wow, YouTube, do y'all hear that? Watch your friends. Watch your friends.
I didn't know you was recording.
Wow.
That was only for you to hear.
I'm not editing out.
Wow.
We see what social work job you get hitting gay people. Cut. And let's pop this bad boy up and over too. Y'all know Samsung packaging tends to be like the most innovative. So box top. Mamiana. And plastic covering in case the hoe wanna drop it. Ooh. Wow. Not a Sims card. Look, y'all. Not a Simi card. And as you can see, they did the packaging thing again with the making full use of the box condition and everything. Thank you. Because I don't know what Samsung thought they was doing before. Now I have a charger. Block. Is this a fast one? It better be. I'm gonna use this to charge my watch too. Y'all hold on for a second. Hello, sweetie.
I thought you said Missy.
Girl, people always want to be on my video, and I'm editing this part out. Jesus. So this right here is the charger block. This right here is what him? Oh, the cord had looked long, but it's not a long cord. But yeah, this is the cord that goes along with it, and I guess this is. Oh, this is how you switch out the, I guess the pin head. You see what else is in here? Okay, to get the SIM card out and to put in the memory card. Oh Jesus, I gotta stop messing up stuff. Okay, and this is closer for you guys. Let's see what they gave us as far as pamphlets is concerned. Okay, terms and conditions, stuff like that. Welcome starter guide, Samsung Gap S6. My carrier, service, setting device, camera, volume, S Pen, remove, put the S card in there, charge the device before turning on your device, charge it. And this is what we have been waiting for. Let's look at this bad boy right here. How this bad boy looks. I'm going to, I guess, how this works. Okay, not that side right there. Oh, I guess right here then. Oh, okay. Cute. What? T-Mobile. Let's not, sweetie. Okay, nice. Wow, fingerprint magnet. There we go. As you can see on this side, you have the ports for the docking station. I guess, yeah, still dealing with ports. Antennas, 2 speakers on the bottom. I think it has a quad speaker, yeah. So 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. C-type charging port. Memory card slot with SIM card. You have your volume rocker. On top of that, you have your power button. Also, your Bixby button. This is powered by 8KG sound. Y'all, some of the best sound. So I guess the pen actually charges on the back. You see that part right there of the pen. And you see that part of the tablet. So it just kind of goes right here. Okay. Okay. There we go. And it charges Bluetoothly. Okay. You mad at a hole, the pen won't come off, I guess. Let's power it on, even though we're not gonna be able to do anything. Oh nope. Gotta charge it first. Anyway, you guys, once I charge it and start working with some more, I'll come back with a whole nother review for it. But right now, let me go ahead and put the SIM card in and get ready to go out. And I love y'all. Thanks for checking out my second unboxing. And until next time.